Hey, so finishing PC, pretty much same motherboard, same GPU 1070. It has 1 TB SATA, 16 GB 3600 speed G-Skill. Also this Lian Li liquid cooler. Yeah, it's really fancy for this build. It's just because of it sometimes has problem with the screen, but it works great. And also it's cooling the CPU really good. So 1 TB, the CPU, I'll show you the specs. You can see here. So the CPU 6600K, memory 16 GB, 3600, 1 TB SSD, and 1078 gigs. So I think $400 is fair for it, and I will install the glass here as well. Some stuff like that. The cooler actually is 280. Power supply 600 watt.